Deafblind Australia presents Deafblind Assistive Technology Overview. Hi, this video is about deafblind assistive technology. Deafblind Australia has been working on a project planning to roll out workshops all over the country, but unfortunately, with the emergence of the COVID-19 pandemic, many of these workshops had to be cancelled. We've also heard from deafblind community members that online workshop platforms such as Zoom don't really work very well for the deafblind community when discussing topics like technology. So given the situation, we decided to postpone the workshops and focus instead on producing this video resource, covering information about the variety of assistive technology that is available in Australia. This video will cover a range of technology that is available from a specialist business named Quantum. Quantum's business is focused specifically on low vision and Braille technology. They have offices in Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria, and South Australia. For those living in WA or Tasmania, similar devices to what is covered in this video are available from a business named Visability. Vision Australia also sells the products covered in this video throughout the country. If, while you're watching this video, you see a specific device that you're really interested in, you can contact Quantum to arrange for a visit to your home or workplace, possibly with an occupational therapist, in order to assess which technology will best support your access. What is assistive technology? Assistive technology is a very broad term. It can mean anything from simple technologies like a magnifying glass right through to sophisticated technology like a self-contained Braille computer. Both of these devices are examples of assistive technology. Assistive technology can also mean software that is added to a computer or tablet device to allow for magnification, voiceover, or Braille connectivity. Deafblind people primarily use three types of software for their accessibility. The first is a magnification software, the second is screen reading software, and the third is Braille output software. Sometimes people will use a combination of all three. This video will cover a variety of technology, and if there's any devices that you're interested in learning more about, you'll find contact information at the end of the video. Magnification. Magnifiers such as the one in the picture are simple, easy to use, portable. You can put it in your bag and take it with you to the shops. They're great to help people read things either while shopping or in the home, for example. There's a variety of magnifiers available, and it depends on how strong you need the magnification to be. There's mild magnification and very strong magnification. You could also have either the traditional type of magnifier or a stand electronic magnifier, which can be used for reading documents. Both are available. Simple magnifiers like the ones pictured can provide up to 12 times magnification. Digital magnifiers look similar to an iPad or a tablet. It's a square device that can be pointed around to magnify things in the environment. Because these devices are digital, they're capable of very strong, very intense magnification. Some also have added functionalities such as the ability to change background color, to change font colors. These are available on some devices. Some digital magnifiers also have a separate camera that can be used to see things at distance and display them on the screen. It's great for looking at an interpreter at distance, for example, or if you're doing something like applying makeup, it can make it much easier to see what you're doing. Some magnifiers have screen reading technology built into them. So for example, if I was trying to read some text that I couldn't really see, I could take a photo of it with my magnifier and then have it read the text out to me. That voiceover technology often is also able to be streamed into a cochlear implant or a hearing aid. This device is called an ACE sight. It has a camera mounted in a headset that allows us to have a very expanded, magnified view right in our frame of vision. It's great for watching sport or theatre or an interpreter in a conference or forum type environment. The picture can also be modified on this device. You can control how strong the magnification is, as well as things like color contrast as well. Computer software. When deafblind people work on computers, they often need the screen to be magnified, and there's a couple of ways that this can be done. The first is using the inbuilt features of the device itself, and the other way is to download separate software and install it on the computer. In terms of which program is right for you, it depends on whether you're looking for magnification, screen reading, or a combination of both. Some popular software in the deafblind community includes Zoom Text, JAWS, Fusion, and NVDA. Zoom Text is a very popular program because it includes both magnification software and screen reading software. It provides up to 7 times zoom without distorting or changing the font, so the writing remains clear and easy to read even under strong magnification. When using Zoom Text, you can move around and navigate the computer with either the mouse or the keyboard. It's very easy to use. Zoom Text is also great because when you're typing under strong magnification, it stays centered on the cursor, helping you to remain oriented on the page and not get confused as to where you are on the screen. Sometimes Zoom Text or a program like it doesn't provide enough magnification, or you might be using a laptop where the screen itself is small. Another option for magnifying the image is to use a second monitor and connect it to the computer through HDMI. In this way, both the computer and the monitor will display the same information, but the monitor will be greatly magnified. A setup like this is great for participating in Zoom meetings or watching anything that's being interpreted online. Braille. There are a variety of Braille devices out there, and most of them can be connected to a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth technology. Once connected, this means that the user has full control over the device using only the Braille display. Braille has several benefits. The first is that it is a quiet and totally private way of receiving information. You can be reading your Braille in public and no one is aware of what the information is that you're taking in. If you're doing public speaking or giving a speech anywhere, having your prompts and your notes in Braille is a great way to check where you're up to, make sure you don't miss any information, all without having to stop or interrupt your speech. For people who are fully deafblind, Braille skills mean that they can retain their access to information and communication with the wider community. We've talked a little bit about pairing Braille displays with smartphones and tablets, but there is another device that gives all the benefits of pairing a Braille display with a computer without the computer. This device is called an L-Braille, and it is a fully functional laptop computer all housed within the construction of this Braille display. It's the same size as just the Braille display, but has the full functionality of a laptop computer. More information, quantumlrv.com. deafblind.com.au. This project is funded by the Australian Government Department of Social Services. Go to www.dss.gov.au for more information.